Tira naman na ito dito. This is the Kang caramel cake. Medyo mahipag ko na yung tinahara. Ah, saan?
Magkabat.
Saan?
Niyausap ang suit, ma'am. Sir, kita mo, picture sa unahan mo.
Oh, sige, sige. Picture. Yes. Yes, later.
Magbigay tayo yung ligas, ma'am. Mamaakit sila. Ayaw lang itong base. Gusto ko ba yung kulong itong.
Ah, okay. Yung, ant na black. Careful ha, because there's ant.
Ano ba, hindi yan sila nangangat? Ikaw lang tayo, ma'am. Tingnan ko nga mo.
Yung mga bat, ano?
Grabe, sa pita.
Bakas. Ito ay Kang caramel cake. Yan.
Diba yung amang gano'n? Pero di lang sila mo doon. Ano mo, kuya?
Kuya, ako di video agad ako niyo. Jelly, it's okay, that one. Si egg, balyong na good ka mo.
Yeah.
Oh. It's okay, you just have to...
You want to put?
Huh?
You put that one.
Yeah. Ayan guys, andito kami sa loob ng Kang caramel cake. Dapat may ganito kami for safety na rin. So, ayan, at may boots din kami. Ayan. Pupunta kami sa loob, guys. So, kunting, smelly. Pero, care naman siguro to. Hindi kasi kami nakapagdala ng, ng mask. So, we will see. Okay, let's go. Ala, automat parang Mama Mary. Ah, saan baby bat? Where's the baby bat? Ay, balyonay ka muna, Jillian. Ay. Ali. Remove that. Remove.
Ow.
Oh. Like that. Oh, bravo.
Wow, but see so many bugs.
Where? Look at the baby bat. Look, the baby bat. Look, there's baby bat. Wow. Look, the baby bat. Don't you see that? Look.
Yes, there's so many baby bugs.
Come, let's go.
I don't want the poster. No.
Put it there like that.
There's so many baby bugs and so many.
I cannot see.
This looks like a Batman.
Yes.
Like a bonfire.
Hurry up.
Bonfire on.
Oh, hold mama.
Hey, give me that. Yes.
Guys, smelly.
Baby bugs.
Smelly, guys. Don't put it in mama eyes, please. Ito yung mga poisonous spider. Oh my gosh, there's so many bats. Oh my gosh. Wait. Ispati. Look, there's a lot of bats over there. Let's go na. Hold mama. Yeah, hold mama ako fancy. Yeah, flashlight. Be careful with that. Ali, kapti Jilin. Careful with that. Hurry up. Hurry up, hold mama.
Look at those.
Wait, there is a lot of insect. My gosh, here. Hurry up. My gosh, careful with that insect. There's a lot of insect. OMG, there's a lot of cockroach. Hurry. Hold mama, my gosh. Smelly, guys. Smelly. Kung pupunta kayo dito, you must bring... My gosh. Smelly. Hold mama well. Ang dami.
Ayun lagi ka. Mabar kayo ko.
Oh my gosh. Here. Oh my gosh. Yan, there's a lot of bats.
May iba ba doon sa ilalim? Ano kaya nandiyan sa namin? Guys, hindi pa sa dulo po ang sa Timoy. Natay makita sa tumuyan yung natay talaging mais na gamit ng gato niya. Napulis at picture ka mukha mga apo siya.
Ay, ayaw na mukha mang kay. Okay, na may mga bata. Okay ra kung walay bata, pero kay. Dali. Don't hold the bar because there is poisonous, spider. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of cockroach. Dali siya, dali. OMG, look, the butt. Really smelly, guys. Don't touch the bars, please. OMG. There's a lot of butts. My gosh. Oh! Huh? Ano to siya? Yeah, give it to me. Don't open your mouth. You want that? Okay. Asa, don't touch the, stone. Oh my God, that is dangerous spider. Ang dami. Oh my gosh. That is all bats. Oh my God, there's a big spider. Poisonous spider. Don't touch the stone. Wala ko. Ang daming cockroach. Okay. Okay. Dali ko na yung sinayaw. Dami. There you go.
Mama, tell me the baby, but that is back and insect and spider. And also so many big spider.
Baka may snake, ha? Tabi-tabi lang po, ha?
Look at this insect.
Punta pa talaga tayo doon. Hold naman,
So many
please.
baby bats.
Huh?
So many baby bats and so many big bats. Look at that insect. Mama.
So scary, guys.
Mama.
Huh? Ito na yung pinakadulo. Tara, go back na tayo.
Why is so good?
Because look, it's smelly and we cannot go there. I don't want to go there because... Alika, let's go na. Let's go back.
Mama.
Come, Jillian, come. Ano yung mga iiyan ng bats?
Mama. Mama.
Yes?
I'm not scared of that.
Yeah. Bayaan tayo. Nakakasukit yung amoy, guys. Dapat pag pumunta kayo dito, huwag dalhin yung mga bata. Dali na kayo, nagsusukit na ako. Tara na, let's go na. Dali na, kagaya palit mo yung piste. Dali na. Oh my God. Oh, grabe yung ano ko, oh. Supukit sa lod ba? Ha?
Nagani, mama.
Ha? Murag man ta masupukit ani, oy. Ah, grabe. Bumalik agad kami kay masupukit kami sa amoy. Sobra. Agoy. Kapuya. Wait, Jillian, wait your slippers there. Alcohol, Jillian, alcohol. Alcohol, oh. Jillian, breathe. Ano kaya? Kaya yung isa. Oh, video.
Off.
O, remove na, remove. Remove.
With my slipper.
Kita ko kan chirong kayo. Wala pa kayo pakakanidin ni.
Yes, welcome for here, and this is the good place and very good good year. So I hope you like this. Alex, pass.
Iskat ka.